Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add indices in MetaTrader 5. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5 software, and after that, go to this place here. If you didn't see the symbols here, just go to View and click on Market Watch. Okay, click on it again, and you will see it here. So now click on the right click, go to symbols and click on indexes, this one. And as you can see here, we have the indices available. So we have here the S&P, as you can see here, and we have the Nasdaq. Where it is, the Nasdaq? This one, Nasdaq 100. So if you want to add the Nasdaq, just click on it and click on show symbol. As you can see, this the Nasdaq 100. And let's add also the S&P 500 show symbol. Okay, after that click on OK. Now drag it and drop it here, and this is the Nasdaq. As you can see, now the market is closed because today is Sunday. That's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.